Good day. Today I'll be busting open a SP 2018-19 hockey. This is bought at Walmart. These cost about 45 bucks. I'll tap right into it. Got them sealed up pretty tight. Five cards per pack, 8 packs per box. Guaranteed an auto or a jersey or a special numbered card. Watch the camera. And here we go. Max Domi, Alex DeBrincat, John Tavares Blue. Nice. Elias Pettersson. It's not the numbered ones, but it's the blue ones, but still, that's very nice. Jamie Benn. Matt Zuccarello, Jake Getzel, Authentic Profiles of Steven Stamkos, Teuvo Teravainen, and Austin Matthews. Busting a lot of retail lately, waiting for the Series 1 Upper Deck to come out. Hopefully getting a case of that. Anthony Mantha, Dominic Hasek, Authentic Profiles of Eric Stahl, Carey Price, and Vladimir Tarasenko. Jeff Carter, Jack Eichel, Jonas Siegenthaler, whoosh, Kevin Shattenkirk, and Sidney Crosby. Still haven't hit that jersey or auto, most likely a jersey. Jarome McGinn, the blue, Jordan Kyrou, Dennis Chvalsky, Authentic Rookies. Here's the jersey. And Cam Talbot. That Jarome McGinn was blue, by the way. Alex Tuck, Alex Galchenyuk, Noam Patrick Blue, Dylan Dubé, Authentic Rookie, and Alexander Ovechkin. Second to last pack, JVR, Craig Anderson Blue, Dan Vladar, Authentic Rookies, Skinner, Jeff Skinner, and Wayne Gretzky. Here we go, last pack. Blake Wheeler, Jake Gardiner Blue, another Dennis Chvalsky. There's the Authentic Rookie. Andreas Johansson out of 11.99. Not too bad. Artemi Panarin. So that's our one hit. And then the jersey card was the other. I'd like to see what they have for autographs out of this, but oh well. Well, that is all for now. Don't be afraid to subscribe. I'll be uploading more videos shortly. Thank you very much. Have a good evening.